Hey guys, it's me. How are you? Good, I don't care. I'm makeup designing Raisin in the Sun this fall, which is actually less than a month away from me actually starting to work on it, and thought I would do a quick tutorial and see how hard this makeup actually was. My supervisor told me that I should start looking at 1950s tutorials. I found this tutorial online that's under vintagedancer.com, and it's called Authentic Natural 1950s Makeup History Tutorial. So I'm going to go step by step according to what this website is telling me. Okay, so we're going to start with foundation, and it says, a pretty face begins with an empty palette. After night cream is washed off, I don't have night cream, a layer of foundation cream is rubbed in to match the skin or a little bit darker. I'm going to use my Stage Makeup cream foundation because that's the only cream foundation that I have right now. I have my big Stage Makeup kit. I don't think they had makeup sponges back then, so I'm just going to use the Ben Nye cream foundation in P42 Ultra Beige. I'm just going to rub this into my face. Take it with my finger. There's a bird outside my window. Okay. So I'm just going to rub this into my face. It's a little lighter. It's a lot lighter, but it's fine. Oh god, I feel like I'm wasting so much product right now. Breakout 2. This is hard to like rub in because it's stage makeup. Oh, and something I also want to say, since I'm designing a show that is almost all people of color, this tutorial that I found online is just a general way that every woman did their makeup in the 1950s and 60s, so this isn't like just a white woman tutorial. It was just a general one that I found.
All around me are familiar faces.
Beautiful. Don't I look snatched? After the foundation is on, use cream rouge, not powder, applied in dots all over the face. All over the face? Okay, you know. And I actually have this Ben Nye cream contour wheel, so I'm assuming that one of these two shades should be fine. Blend it all in so that your skin is now a pale pink. Even if you have very dark skin, a glow of pink is very important. So I don't know which one to use, so I'm just going to use both. So I'm not knocking this tutorial. I'm going to do what they tell me. I don't think the camera's picking this up because I'm just doing this off my laptop, but I'm looking like hot pink. So, okay, I'm a nice light pink. Doesn't tell me to blend to my neck, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Add a little contour by creating another layer of rouge on the forehead and just a tiny dab on the nose. I'm supposed to put cream blush on my forehead and on my nose? I'm not, okay, internet. We're gonna use the lighter pink for this one. On the tip of the nose. And on the forehead. Like, I don't know if this is right. This kind of just looks like I have a heat problem. The ideal face shape of the 1950s was the oval face. Done. Blush. Wait, was rouge different? Did I just put blush on my forehead for no reason? Rosy red cheeks were out of fashion in the 1950s. Well, I'm already hot pink, so apply a little cream rouge on the upper cheekbones and brush upwards towards the temple, blending as you go. So it says the tips of the cheeks up to the cheekbones, but it's the 1950s. I'm not gonna judge. Oh, so snatched. Where are my temples? I don't know. I'm not really using brushes. I feel like they're just using their fingers. By the way, my fingers are clean. Just putting that out there. This high rouge application gives the face an overall lift. I want to say sunburn, but okay. A powder rouge should be applied after a dusting of face powder. Only if needed, bring out a touch more color. The ideal rouge is one that adds a healthy glow to the skin, not to have a painted face. Oh well. So the next step is setting powder. On top of your now pink toned skin should go a light application of loose powder that is a tone darker than your skin. Press the powder into your skin, then wait a few minutes before brushing off the excess. They baked back then! Choosing too light a powder will create a clown face. Yikes! Consider powdering your neck, shoulders, and chest too if exposed with a low neck evening gown. Well, you know I got suitors waiting out the door for me, so I'm just gonna use my Airspun setting powder. It says since 1935, so people were probably using this in the 1950s. I'm just going to take little puffs all over my face. So we're just gonna let that we're just gonna let that bake. Now we're going to eyeshadow. For day wear, matching shadow to eye color is the most common. So my eyes are like a dark blue, so I guess we're gonna do a light blue. So I have the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. We're just gonna use this. Eleanor Arnett of Beauty Is Not an Age says, "Do be careful about your eyeshadow. That again can make you seem exhausted unless skillfully applied." Joke's on you, I look exhausted all of the time. It doesn't look like there's a primer. Rub shadow with your finger onto the lower lid about 1/8 of an inch. Damn! Did brushes not exist in the 1950s? So we're gonna do this color. 1/8 of an inch. What a great smoky eye. I don't know how people did this in the 1950s. We're moving on to the eyebrows. Eyebrow shapes tapered from a thicker inner corner to a sharp-pointed outer tip. For oval faces, a slight or natural arch. It's telling me to use just a brow pencil. This is my Bare Minerals Frame and Define eyebrow pencil. Comb those hairs. Get that natural arch. Okay, so they said that like the inner is supposed to be bigger. Make that baby big. I'm loving this. Now we're moving on to eyeliner. So now we're jumping back to the eye makeup. The doe-eyed wingtip look started in the late 1940s, but really made a statement in the 1950s. To create the look, start with eyeliner in the middle of the lid and extend it to the outer edge plus a smidge. What's the measurement for a smidge? The end of the line should angle up slightly, then backfill to the starting point to create a slight triangle. Basically like a tiny cat eye. I can do that. I can do that. So I'm just going to use my liquid. This looks so much worse in my mirror. I did it! I look amazing. Okay, now we're moving on to eyelashes. Curl Lash improved the design with a cushion on the crimpers. Cool, so I have my eyelash curler. They used cake mascara, because apparently the mascara wand wasn't invented till the very late 50s. We're going for 50s, 60s, so I think that I can cheat. It's the same color as the eyeliner, so it's black. So I'm gonna do black. Essence Fake Lashes mascara, because this is like my favorite mascara. I curl my lashes and then apply it. So they're telling me like a light curl. To be honest, this kind of looks like how I did my makeup in high school. Now we're going to lipstick. Going to just dust off this powder. Wow, that did not help at all. I still look like a pink monster. Lipstick colors were all over the place. Red was still very popular, but so were lighter, innocent shades. A woman had a new shade for every season and time of the day. To apply lipstick, first use a lip brush to draw the outline, then fill in. 1950s lipstick was still a matte finish, so we're going to do a matte lipstick. I basically depotted a bunch of lipsticks. This one, which is Lime Crime's Babette, and we are going to use this boy from... Use this one from Bare Minerals. So we're going to outline with the lipstick first. Then fill in, press lips together, and wait 1 minute. Okay, it's been about a minute, so I had to put on another layer of rouge. They said that it has to be a powder. I have this powder from Ben Nye, and I just add it on to add a little glow. It's the 50s. Apply it on your cheeks. Oh, so snatched. So this is the finished look. Look at that beautiful eyeshadow, and look at that blush. Look at those eyebrows. Alright, I hope you guys like this. Mwah!